Big rain overnight here at Thoeng, and this is the basin, the River Ing, and over there my friend Steve lives, and the water is very high. We're not in danger yet, possibly another metre, but at our end the fields are flooded, the village is flooded. We're okay, but it's grim. Well, these are tobacco fields, and that is the River Lau, and that's a hill coming up from the river. They've got to be 10 feet underwater. You can just see in the distance there the roof of a salar, well flooded. Now, and this one is this is where they've been building the flood defences, and look at that, my God. On the other side it's up to the road deck. A lot of water coming down there, and the fields are all around are flooded. Well, this is where they were building the flood defences last month, and it's well over the defences, well over the roads, into the homes, into the village. Wow. Right around the fields by a long way, and these homes on the riverbank are flooded again, second year running. Well, these are the rice fields at our village. There's the village temple, and wow. Well, fishing on the road. This is the road behind our home that goes down to the farm, and it's well flooded from the Nam Lao. Well, it's still raining. Bit like being back in Wigan. Anyway, that's me. So it's goodbye from me until I return on Monday. So we'll see you soon. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.